Here's the Duralast replacement. There's the numbers on it for the 2008 Toyota forerunner. Cylinder number 4 here. And installation is opposite of removal. Let's get it in there. Now, when we get this wire on, this pigtail, you gotta listen for a click. Alright, now I'm gonna get the screw in. Start it. A little stubborn, but it's there somewhere. Must have it lined up wrong. Get it started. Ooh.
Does it have a screw on it or something?
Yeah, we got it.
Okay.
It's just a long screw to keep it from backing up.
And you're just tighten that screw down.
Tighten this 10mm down a little bit. Just snug.
Okay. Is that it?
We're gonna get this back in here. Take the bottom. That is 12mm bracket. Pressure, you don't, not torquing it down.
But it's still getting done. And that's what counts. Right, if you don't have to. It happens.
Tighten this bottom bracket there. Snug it real good. Put your motor cover back on. Get your 10mm back on. Regular battery cable. Tighten it down. It's a good habit to touch everything you've done so you know you've done it. I believe that's it.
All right, let's see her crank up. See if it works good. Start her up. Let's see if it runs before we. Oh yeah. Oops. Oh yeah. That's fun.
Yeah, the missile gone. The motor was jumping around before.
All right.
So now we got it. That took care of the problem. I hope y'all enjoyed the video, and I hope you have a great day. God bless.